So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in Windows Security. Now, you're going to click on App Settings. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on Terminate. Now, you're going to click on Repair. You want to repair Windows Security. Wait for this to load. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the next method, you're going to click on Terminate again, and then click on Reset, and then click on Reset again. And then once you've reset Windows Security, see if that works. If that's still not working, then for the last method, you're going to head over to search and type in Windows PowerShell. Now, you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you just want to copy and paste the command, which will be down below in the description. It's going to start with Get-AppxPackage. You want to highlight this, do Ctrl-C to copy it, and then come to PowerShell, and then do Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on Enter. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer, and then this should now fix your problem.